If you're interested in controlling your dreams, whether to fly to new places or stop nightmares, it starts with learning how to lucid dream, which is becoming aware you are dreaming. Several effective techniques can help you achieve this awareness, including reality checking throughout the day, where you habitually question if you are awake and perform physical checks like trying to read or turn on lights. Additionally, the Wake Back to Bed (WBTB) and Mnemonic Introduction of Lucid Dreams (MILD) methods involve waking up during your REM sleep cycle, about 5 hours after falling asleep, and then either staying up briefly before returning to sleep or reciting a mantra to set your intention for a lucid dream. Consistent practices, such as writing down your dreams immediately upon waking to improve recall and identifying common symbols or patterns, are also essential for training your mind to recognize when you are dreaming. Once you become aware that you are dreaming, it's crucial to stay calm to avoid waking up, allowing you to begin taking control of and shaping your dream environment, starting with small actions and gradually working toward bigger changes.